Hey everybody, welcome to the Social Media Profile Finder Pro app that we released on Apify. What you do is you specify a business name or a username, and it'll search across 400 plus social media networks to see if those pages exist, and it'll return it to you. All you have to do is go to apify.com, register a free account, or if you already have an account, go to the App Store and type in Social Media Profile Finder Pro and click on Try for free. Let me show you how it works. Once I did that, I'm going to go to the Input tab and I'm just going to specify the usernames. I can specify one or multiple. For example, one scales, and I can add multiple right here. I clicked on the Add button, and for example, I want to add one of our other projects called Written, but you can also click on the bulk edit and add them row by row. You can also specify 20, 50, 100, 500. You can do them in bulk as well. Once you've completed, go to the bottom and click on Save and Start. Once it completed, you'll see the succeeded message right here, and you can scroll to the bottom to see the results. You can see for each of the usernames I specified here, you can see the number of profiles found online. For example, for one scales, you can see 16 items or 16 URLs found in social media. And for Written, you can see 18. You can scroll down. You can view it here, and you can also export to CSV, JSON, or any other format specified right here. So you can view in Google Sheets, Excel, or other. In addition, you can also click on API and either integrate with your program via APIs or via AI via the MCP configurator. It's very easy to use. If you have any questions about this app, suggestions, comments, or you need any kind of assistance, let us know, contact us, and much appreciated. Try it out for free today.